Everyone's talking about it, the car market crash. But here's what nobody's telling you. Not all car prices are crashing. Some are falling off a cliff, losing thousands every month, while others are quietly holding strong, even going up in value. So before you buy, sell, or trade in your car, you need to know which side you're on. Because one wrong move could cost you thousands. Welcome back to Car Hacks and Money, the channel that helps you beat the car market. Save big and stay one step ahead of the dealers. 2026 is shaping up to be the most unpredictable year in car history. Electric vehicles are tanking in value. Hybrids are rising, trucks are holding, and some luxury cars? They're worth half what they were 2 years ago. So today, we're breaking down which cars are crashing, which are surviving, and how to make sure you're not stuck with the wrong one when the dust settles. Welcome back to Car Hacks and Money, the channel that helps you beat the car market, save big, and stay one step ahead of the dealers. 2026 is shaping up to be the most unpredictable year in car history. Electric vehicles are tanking in value. Hybrids are rising, trucks are holding, and some luxury cars? They're worth half what they were just 2 years ago. So today, we're breaking down exactly which car prices are crashing and which ones are still rock solid. Let's start with the biggest losers. Welcome back to Car Hacks and Money, the channel that helps you beat the car market. Save big and stay one step ahead of the dealers. 2026 is shaping up to be the most unpredictable year in car history. Electric vehicles are tanking in value. Hybrids are rising, trucks are holding, and some luxury cars? They're worth half what they were just 2 years ago. So today, we're breaking down exactly which car prices are crashing and which ones are still rock solid. Let's start with the biggest losers. Now here's where things get interesting. While EVs are crashing, hybrids are quietly becoming gold. Cars like the Toyota Prius RAV4 Hybrid and Honda Accord Hybrid are holding their value better than almost anything else on the market. Why? Because they're the perfect middle ground. You get great fuel economy to 40 to 50 miles per gallon. You avoid range anxiety. And you skip the high cost of battery replacements that full EVs bring. Plus, gas prices are unpredictable again. Every time they spike, people rush back to hybrids. In 2026, used hybrids are selling above their book value, something that almost never happens. Example, a 2021 RAV4 hybrid bought for $33,000 in 2021 can still sell for $30,000 today. That's insane retention. If you're thinking long-term, hybrids are the smart play, especially Toyota and Honda models. They're the only cars in this crazy market that seem inflation-proof. Next up, trucks and SUVs. Here's what you need to know. Pickup trucks are not crashing. In fact, they're holding steady, especially mid-sized trucks like the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevy Colorado. Full-size trucks, like the F-150 and Silverado, are softening a bit but not collapsing. Why? Because trucks aren't just cars, they're tools. Contractors, farmers, and families still need them. And with new ones costing $60,000 plus, people are holding on to older ones longer. Example, a 2018 Tacoma with 100,000 miles still goes for $27,000. That's almost unbelievable. SUVs tell a similar story. Compact crossovers like the Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, and Toyota Highlander still dominate resale charts. Big luxury SUVs? Not so much. Escalades and Range Rovers are dropping fast. Too expensive to fuel, too costly to repair. So yes, family haulers and work trucks are safe. But luxury giants? They're the next bubble. If you bought a luxury car in 2021 or 2022, brace yourself. Because luxury car prices are falling faster than ever. Why? 2 reasons: interest rates and maintenance. The average new luxury car loan in 2026 is $1,400 a month. Most people just can't justify it anymore. Add on expensive insurance, premium gas, and $2,000 brake jobs. And it's no wonder used luxury sedans are piling up on dealer lots. Cars like the BMW 7 Series, Mercedes S-Class, and Audi A8 are down 40% in value since 2023. But the real shocker? Electric luxury cars. A Lucid Air that once cost $130,000 now goes for $55,000 used. A Mercedes EQS that sold for $120,000 is selling for under $50,000 at auctions. The lesson? Luxury cars look rich but act poor, especially when the market turns. If you want to save money, buy what the rich are selling. What about sports cars and collectibles? Surprisingly, some of them are doing better than ever. Older models like the Toyota Supra, Mazda Miata, Nissan 350Z, and Porsche 911, 996 and 997 generations are climbing in value. Why? Because they represent an era that's disappearing: manual transmissions, pure driving feel, and no software updates. Younger car enthusiasts are paying big money for the last analog cars. Even mid-tier performance models like the Civic Type R and Golf R are appreciating. The downside? Newer performance cars with complex electronics, especially EV sports cars, are losing value fast. Once the warranty's gone, so is the resale. Now let's talk about small, cheap cars, the ones people used to ignore. These cars are secretly winning right now. The Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, Mazda 3, they're all holding value surprisingly well. In fact, affordable gas cars are the most searched segment in 2026. Why? Because the average new car now costs over $48,000. People just want something simple, reliable, and affordable. That demand is keeping used prices high. A 2018 Corolla that was worth $12,000 2 years ago now sells for $15,000. Yes, it actually gained value. If you're buying for the long run, stick with these, because no matter what happens, people will always need cheap transportation. Now, here's where everything connects. The real car price crash isn't just about supply or demand, it is about money. Interest rates in 2026 are still high. That means fewer buyers, longer loans, and more repossessions. The average car payment is over $780 a month, and many people can't afford it. Banks are tightening credit, repos are rising. And when that happens, prices drop fast, especially for expensive EVs and luxury cars. So yes, a crash is coming, but not for every car. Budget cars, hybrids, and trucks will survive. EVs and luxury cars? They'll get crushed first. So what do you do with all this information? Simple. Play offense, not defense. If you own an EV or luxury car, sell it sooner rather than later. Don't wait for the market to hit bottom. If you need a car, look for used hybrids, small gas cars, or reliable trucks. Those will hold value the best. If you're patient, 2026 will be a buyer's year, especially late in the year when repossessions flood the market. Dealers will be desperate, prices will drop fast. That's when you buy. The people who panic and sell now, they'll lose. The people who plan and wait, they'll win. The car market always moves in cycles. We had a boom in 2021, a slowdown in 2023, a crash starting in 2025, and by 2026, the difference between smart and careless buyers will be massive. Some will flip cars and make thousands. Others will be stuck with upside-down loans and worthless EVs. The difference? Knowledge. So before you buy your next car, remember this. Don't chase trends. Don't believe dealer hype. And never assume prices will bounce back. Do your research. Watch the market. And if you were watching Car Hacks and Money, you already ahead of the game. Because in 2026, the smartest driver isn't the one with the newest car. It's the one who knows when to buy and when to wait. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car hacks that actually save you money.